Henry and I, this is one of my grandsons, Henry, we decided that we would like some macaroni salad. Henry and John are actually going to spend the weekend, aren't you? So we got to cook up some things that we can have to eat over the weekend. We know that you're going back fishing to catch some more brim, so we can have some brim. And do you like macaroni salad?
No clue what it tastes like.
You've never had macaroni salad? Well, this is the way Guinea likes to make it. You use elbow macaroni, and I cook it longer than the directions say, because to me it's not good if it's cooked like al dente, you know, to the tooth. To me it's much better if you cook it a little bit longer. And I like to make my macaroni salad hot, just like I do my potato salad. You know, I cut them up, drain them, and then mix that potato salad up immediately while those potatoes are steaming. So I like to do my macaroni salad the same way. So we're gonna put our noodles in there, and you can start mixing everything in. How about that? Where would you like to start? Would you like to start with your eggs? Okay. And I make this, Henry, really just like I do my potato salad most of the time.
It's hard boiled?
No, they're over easy. Yes, they're hard boiled. All right, next, your celery. Next, a green bell pepper. And you know, this is just like any other recipe. You know, you can put the things that you like. Like Papa would want me to put jalapenos in. But I'm not gonna do that, so the rest of us can enjoy this too.
Papa can put his own jalapenos in.
Yes, that's exactly right. All right, so what is that?
Pepper.
Tastes like garlic. Okay, not sure about that. That tastes kind of like house seasoning. All right, and this is silly salt. I love silly salt. Silly salt is a line of salt, Henry, that I came up with to put in cold salads like shrimp salad, potato salad, macaroni salad, any kind of cold salad. Okay, so now you can put your mayonnaise in, baby.
How do I do that?
That was the lemon pepper that I threw away.
It's right in that top one. Should be right there.
So I accidentally threw the lemon pepper away, Henry.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna.
Come on, keep coming out.
Can you get it?
I don't want to come out. It's like it's stuck to his mama.
Yeah, use the little spatula.
Here, baby. Here. Can I help you?
I got it.
Okay. That's right. I forgot you don't like help. You like to do it yourself, don't you?
Right.
I like that. I like that you're self-motivated. All right. You know what? I don't really have any fresh parsley yet in the garden.
Aw.
So I'm going to put some dried. That'll be all right. And that'll just be for color. And if you really wanted to add color to your macaroni salad, you could add pimentos, chopped pimentos. And because of the noodles being a starch, it may soak up that mayonnaise, and we might have to add a little bit more mayonnaise, but you know, that's all right. Can you think of anything else you'd like to have in it?
Y'all having steak?
You think I should put steak in it?
Yes, it would taste good.
I've never thought about that.
What about lettuce?
You know what I wish we had? I wish we had some of my eye doctor Dr. Gene McLaurin makes the best pickles.
Mhm.
And
All you need
I
is
wish-
cucumbers and pickle juice.
Yes, but he makes them in a special way, and I don't know the recipe, but his pickles are so good in salads, and I wish we had some of that. All right, so let's see. Let me give you a little hand right here, because your height prohibits you from being able to see totally over in the bowl, doesn't it?
And this is how tall I am.
I know, you're a tall boy. How much do you weigh now?
95 pounds.
Oh, you fixing to bust a big number. All right, let me get us a fork. And I want to hear the verdict. How about a spoon?
Good time to eat.
Uh-huh.
Yummy.
Yeah, that's quick. Oh, and I want to say a couple of things about macaroni noodles. Oh, I think I said it. You want to cook those longer than what the box says, because if you cook them al dente, they're going to need some more liquid, and they'll just drink up every bit of your mayonnaise. So, what do you think? Delicious.
I could have a little slide of cheese.
Okay. We can certainly put some cheese in it. That's very good.
Where's the Parmesan?
I don't know. You want some yellow cheese, maybe? Sure. Let's see. I think I have some of that grated. Yes. Oh, here. Let's use fresh grated. I've got where I like to grate my own cheese here. Because you know that already grated, you don't know what all's in it. I think that's going to be a great addition. It's going to add a little bit more protein. A few more calories. But we're not counting calories, are we? No.
And not all of them.
You think that's enough cheese?
I have
Just half full.
I was going to say no, I can't get them. What, Henry?
You think that's enough cheese? Or do we need more?
Just 1 second. I don't want to burn myself. Oh, I think that's plenty.
Let's see how good it
And
tastes.
it's plenty of mayonnaise too. Is it good? Henry is definitely one of my eating buddies, y'all. And you know what? I love so very much sitting down and sharing a meal with folks that really enjoy their food. Somehow it just makes mine taste even better.
Now it
So,
looks better.
you want to try it again now with cheese?
Mhm.
Okay, I want to get in there and get. All right. Bon appetit.
Let's go.
That's pretty dadgum good.
A little bit more flavor.
I think we did it. Thank you, Big Hen. Love it. Best dishes, y'all. Hey, y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.